What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get Aeserion Scales in Crimson Desert. For this, we'll need to head to the far southeastern province or area, Delesia, and to the southwestern side is a small island out here called Serpent Shrine. This is where we'll be getting them. When we get here, I've used this teleporter right here by the Three Brothers Cliff. You're able to come across to a point where you can very easily jump and float across to the island over there. There is a big snake crawling around, and that is where these scales come from. We'll make our way all the way over here, and you can see this gigantic snake. And while he doesn't attack us or anything, we'll be heading across to the left side of the island up here. On the map, you'll find a bunch of these icons, and they're these things here. These are the Aeserion Scales. We'll be able to place them in our Kuku pot as soon as we use our grabby arm to pick them up. There's a couple of these lying around here where the snake is moving around, loosely scattered around this island. It's nice to know he won't attack you, but if you're not finding much luck, which I definitely am here, I've already collected about 4 of them, and you can head up here, and the higher you go, the more of these things will be revealed. So there's 2 more. And the further I run, the more just keep popping in on the map. I'm pretty sure they'll regenerate / respawn in this area, so coming back in the future should be fine. But while you're here, you may as well grab a bunch of them. Nearby this little cave entrance on the southern part of the island here is where I'm finding a ridiculous amount of these next to each other. If we head in here and up, at the top here, you'll find even more just lying around. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.